Intriguing, revealing, essential. Your tongue is more than just a part of your body. It's a health detective that can offer valuable clues about your well-being. What secrets is your tongue color trying to tell you? In today's video, we'll explore 6 surprising things your tongue color can reveal about your health and what you can do to address them. Number 6. White tongue. Is it harmless or a red flag in disguise? What if that white film isn't just bad breath, but a sign of something more serious? A white tongue might seem like no big deal, especially if you just woke up. But when that pale coating doesn't go away after brushing, it could point to deeper issues. Sometimes it could simply result from a dry mouth or poor oral hygiene, allowing debris and bacteria to collect. However, when the white patches become thick or painful, it might indicate oral thrush, a fungal infection, or leukoplakia, a condition that sometimes serves as a precursor to oral cancer. Additionally, dehydration and stress can exacerbate this condition, making it more prominent. Certain medications, such as antibiotics, can also lead to a white tongue by disrupting the natural balance of bacteria in the mouth. And in some cases, it could point to an underlying systemic issue, such as a weakened immune system. What to do? Start with the basics. Gently brush your tongue or use a scraper every morning to remove buildup. Increase your water intake to combat dryness and rinse your mouth with warm salt water. Avoid sugary foods and beverages that could worsen bacterial growth. If the white coating persists for more than 2 weeks, visit your dentist or doctor for further evaluation. Number 5. Yellow tongue. A harmless stain or a clue to a deeper problem. Could that yellow tint be more than yesterday's turmeric tea? A yellow tongue is often brushed off as harmless, but ignoring it could mean missing critical health clues. While it's common to see this discoloration from certain foods or drinks, persistent yellowing might signal something more. Most commonly, a yellow tongue results from bacterial buildup, smoking, or insufficient oral hygiene. But when paired with other symptoms like yellowing of the skin or eyes, it could indicate jaundice or liver problems. Stress can also play a role, as it disrupts the body's normal processes and can manifest in oral changes. Additionally, overuse of mouthwashes containing peroxide or menthol might worsen yellowing. What to do? Improve your oral hygiene by brushing your tongue daily with a soft bristled brush and staying hydrated throughout the day. Avoid smoking and reduce intake of dark beverages like coffee or tea. If the yellow color persists or is accompanied by other symptoms, it's essential to consult your doctor for further evaluation. Number 4. Bright red tongue. Vibrant and alarming. What's it telling you? Could your tongue's fiery red shade be a cry for help? A bright red tongue might catch your attention immediately, but what does it really mean? Often, this vibrant hue is your body's way of signaling a deficiency in essential nutrients like B12 or folate. In some cases, a red tongue might also accompany symptoms of scarlet fever or Kawasaki disease in children, both requiring immediate medical attention. The condition can also arise from other causes like glossitis, where inflammation makes the tongue appear shiny and red. Spicy or acidic foods might aggravate the redness, leading to discomfort. This condition could also suggest an allergy or sensitivity to oral care products. Additional details. Persistent redness can sometimes indicate an autoimmune disorder like Sjogren's syndrome. Certain infections, like strep throat, may also contribute to the striking color. The environment in the mouth, including changes in pH levels, can play a role as well. What to do? Incorporate more B vitamin-rich foods such as leafy greens, eggs, and dairy into your diet. If dietary changes don't alleviate the issue, consider a supplement after consulting your doctor. Persistent redness lasting more than a week? Get it checked to rule out other serious conditions. Ensure you're using hypoallergenic oral products to avoid irritation. Number 3. Black or hairy tongue. Just gross or sign of deeper trouble? What if your tongue looks furry? Should you panic? A black or hairy tongue might look unsettling, but it's more common than you'd think. This condition occurs when the tiny bumps, papillae, on your tongue grow longer, trapping bacteria, food particles, and even tobacco residue. While typically harmless, it can sometimes point to poor oral hygiene, smoking, or antibiotic overuse. Stress and dehydration can exacerbate the condition, making the discoloration worse. Interestingly, certain medications or mouthwashes containing bismuth can temporarily darken the tongue. The good news? This condition is reversible with proper care. Additional details. Individuals with compromised immune systems may be more prone to black, hairy tongue. A diet lacking in fresh, fibrous foods can also prevent natural exfoliation of the tongue's surface. Moreover, it may indicate imbalances in oral microbiota. What to do? Brush your tongue gently every day using a toothbrush or tongue scraper. Stay hydrated and limit dark beverages like coffee and tea. Reduce or quit smoking to see improvement. If the black appearance doesn't resolve in 2 weeks, consult your dentist for further guidance. Make dietary changes to include crunchy fruits and vegetables for natural cleaning effects. Number 2. Purple or blue tongue. Could this be a cry for oxygen? A purple or blue tongue might mean your body is in crisis. Are you listening? If your tongue turns purple or blue, it's more than just a cosmetic issue. It could signal a lack of oxygen in your blood. This color change often accompanies circulatory problems, heart disease, or lung conditions that need immediate attention. In rarer cases, a purple or blue tongue might indicate Kawasaki disease or extreme nutrient deficiencies. Physical exertion or exposure to cold environments can temporarily cause the tongue to turn bluish, but persistent discoloration should never be ignored. Emotional stress or anxiety might also contribute by affecting breathing patterns, further reducing oxygen levels. What to do? Seek immediate medical attention if the discoloration is accompanied by shortness of breath, chest pain, or fatigue. This is a potential emergency requiring swift action. For less urgent cases, focus on improving circulation through exercise and proper nutrition. Number 1. Pale or gray tongue. Is your body running low on fuel? Could your pale tongue be a warning sign your body's reserves are running dry? A pale or gray tongue can look unsettling, but it's your body's way of signaling something isn't right. Often it points to anemia, where your body lacks sufficient red blood cells to carry oxygen. Chronic stress, poor diet, or low iron levels can all contribute to a pale tongue. If the tongue appears grayish, digestive issues like gastritis or systemic inflammation might be at play. Certain medications, such as those for acid reflux, can also impact the tongue's color. Even dehydration can make the tongue appear paler than usual. Additional details. Long-term deficiencies in vitamins B6 or B12 can also lead to a pale or grayish tongue. Smoking and exposure to environmental toxins might exacerbate the issue, reducing oxygenation in tissues. Additionally, immune suppression could make the tongue's color more prominent. What to do? Add iron-rich foods like spinach, lentils, and red meat to your diet. Consider iron supplements under a doctor's guidance. If you notice a grayish tint, it's worth exploring potential digestive or inflammatory issues with your healthcare provider. Persistent changes? Don't wait, schedule a medical checkup. Prioritize hydration and reduce smoking or alcohol intake to improve overall oral health. Quick fixes for a healthier tongue. Brush or scrape your tongue every morning. Stay hydrated. Dry mouth is a breeding ground for bacteria. Quit smoking and limit dark-colored drinks like coffee. Boost your diet with fresh fruits, veggies, and B vitamins. Why your tongue is a window to your health. Your tongue is like a built-in health monitor. It reacts quickly to changes in your body. From hydration levels to nutrient deficiencies and even major illnesses, your tongue can give you early warning signs that might otherwise go unnoticed. By paying attention to your tongue's color and texture, you can catch potential health problems early and take action before they become serious. So which tongue color revelation surprised you the most? Whether it's about hydration, your diet, or your overall wellness, these simple observations can offer powerful insights into your health. Let us know in the comments if you've noticed any of these signs and what steps you'll take next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips that keep you informed and empowered. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.